Hey guys, so today I want to show you a day in the life of homeschooling my preschooler. So I have a third grader who is my primary focus right now as far as his education goes. But when I do have time in between taking breaks, I do lessons with my 3-year-old, soon to be 4. So now that she's turning 4, we are going to buckle down and start focusing more on scheduling things for her. But this week is the week right before Thanksgiving. This morning I focused more of my stuff on my son. We read some Thanksgiving books, and then she got to play on her Khan Academy for Kids app and listen to the book a little bit, but it was a little bit above her. So now we're going to focus on some farm-based activities and looking at how the farm provides us food, and talk about some of the animals on the farm and things like that, along with doing Bible and just random things today actually. So I'm just going to take you into some of the things that we do for school. You ready? What's the first thing that you want to do?
That. But
okay.
I wanted to show them that too.
So show it to us. Right now she's making silly pictures.
Mommy, make me a silly face.
Okay, so I have my son doing school in the classroom, so we're gonna move over to the living room, and I actually have her, here's her little fish. We just got her for a fish unit that we did, but we do have a little desk for her here. We don't use as much unless he is occupied in the classroom. So we're just gonna move this guy back here, and then she'll do some of her work here, and I have some books and stuff selected out here that we're going to use today. And here's our calendar, and this is where we're going to get started. Okay, so we always start our preschool morning with circle time, and this is the calendar that we use. And right now we're in November, so we sing the days of the week in English and in Spanish. We sing the months of the year in English and in Spanish, and then we count.
It finished.
Okay, come here. We count, and when we're singing, we use our instruments here. So I've shown this a lot of times in all of my other videos. If you guys have seen any of my other videos with my preschooler, you'll see this whole circle time. So we're not going to get into it today, but this is what we do. We use the instruments. You can check out the Preschooler Tuesday playlist. But we use the instruments and we sing all the stuff here, and then we'll count, and then we'll talk about the holidays. She has a birthday coming up, her grandfather's birthday, and then obviously we have Thanksgiving coming up. So that's how we're gonna start. Thanksgiving is, so today is November, it's Monday, November 18th. Okay, so we have to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday is Grampy's birthday. Then we have Saturday and Sunday, and then we start over again. This is Thanksgiving. Look, 2 days later is your birthday party and your birthday. How old are you going to be?
4.
You're going to be 4 years old. And we're going to record that birthday party and place it in the card above so that people can see your special birthday party. Okay, you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's go.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Okay, so I have our CD player, and we're gonna do Bible first. Okay, found the CD. I don't know where I got it from, and we are gonna sing one of these songs, and we're gonna learn it. Okay.
I know how to open it.
You just lift this up. Animals fun?
Animals fun. You can be any animal.
Yeah? So that was kind of like a little bit of music. That's the first time we ever used that CD. And now I think we're going to learn about Noah's Ark today. We don't have, like I said, a set lesson plan. But listen, she just wants to dance. But I found this Noah's Ark book, Aralyn.
Can we
So
do animal songs?
we're going to do animal songs first. So I have a CD I've shown you guys once before, but if you're new to my channel, you haven't seen it. It's this We Sing and Move kit here. And inside of it, there's a CD that talks about animals. And we get to pretend to be the animals. And so since we're going to do Noah's Ark today, that fits in perfectly. So we'll get to pretend to be the animals leaving Noah's Ark. Do you remember how God called the animals into the ark one by one or two by two?
Look, I found this inside.
So we are going to pretend, listen to mommy. Look, here's the CD. Look at mommy. We are going to pretend to be the animals going onto the ark, okay? First we're going to be a lion, and then a wild horse, and then a turtle.
And I did the train one before. The train one's fun.
Yes, these are fun. So let's move on to using our imagination, and after that we're going to read Noah's Ark because we're going to read about the animals that we're pretending to be. Okay. So this is the storybook here. So this is what we're going to do for Bible today. The story of Noah's Ark. Okay, and then here we have my first hands-on Bible. So normally for school we do a lot of we'll start a reading lesson and we do the alphabet. We always try to get those in, but since we haven't done the fun stuff lately, that's what today's all about. We're gonna do the extra stuff too. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Press play. That's this one here.
This one?
Yeah.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
We also have this preschool, my first hands-on Bible that I love. And in here for Noah's Ark, it has little things. It says, make rain sounds with me. First we'll rub our hands together, then clap them quietly. And so there's different little activities that you can do here. And then it has Let's Talk section. It has the safari section to look for the animals and talking about different things, tub time activities, a prayer here, and then a Jesus connection here. So I really like this Bible. Short and sweet, quick Bible lessons, and that's nice to do. So right now she's really wanting to do her farm animals book. I took out the farm animals book, like I said, because farm reminds me of harvest and things that we get from the farm. Although most of our books are about farm animals, we may have a little trip to the farm coming up this week. So that's why I took out all the farm books. Alright, you excited? So here for our week, we're also learning about Thanksgiving, but because she's little, it's kind of hard to learn about the true meaning of Thanksgiving. So I figured we do farms.
And this one's
You could do healthy foods. You could do farm animals. You could do gardening. There's so many different things that you could do for this month of November with your preschoolers. You can even do the senses, the 5 senses, which I was thinking of. We're going to do a little bit of that too. Probably after
This one's really fun.
After the Thanksgiving and fall unit, we're probably going to get into the 5 senses. So we have a prize pumpkin. We have the fuzzy duckling. This is a Thanksgiving type book because it talks about giving thanks to God. We have On the Farm. Arlen loves these feeling books. Right?
Yeah.
Talking about being good friends during this time of year. So we have Disney Babies on the Farm. Okay, we have Make Way for Ducklings. Who on the Farm, and has all the animals.
That's what I wanted to.
That's the one. A chick. The rooster is loud and proud. He's showing off his fine feathers. Cock-a-doodle-doo. A rooster is a male chicken. So since we get fruits and vegetables from the farm, Arlen, we are going to bake a pie. But we're only going to use the pie if we do the numbers.
I don't know that one.
That's why. What about this one?
E.
What number is that?
B.
Arlen, B's a letter. What's this?
8.
And what's this over here? 6. And what's that one?
7.
Okay, I need you to learn your numbers, okay? So go ahead and make your pie. So another resource that I have here that I've been using since my 12-year-old was 2 was from, let's see if the website's here. It's The Joyful Heart of Learning, but it's from hubbardscupboard.org. And this is a great free resource for homeschoolers. So check that out, hubbardscupboard.org. And so here she has different months. I think I made this and printed it out myself.
I made you a pie.
Thank you. Delicious. Open it up for me. Open the pie.
And pie.
Oh, apples and raspberries, oranges and peaches, bananas and lemons, grapes and plums, and 1 green apple. It's so delicious. Then you have your Thanksgiving songs and poems. We are thankful, Thanksgiving days, pumpkin. So my daughter's requested number exercise. You guys have probably seen that before. We put out number cards on the floor, and she has to do what?
You have to skip 2, hop 2, crawl 2.
And you like doing that?
And what's the other thing?
Jump 2.
Jump 2.
All kinds of things. Okay, so stand up. What's this one? So she's not normally this active during school, so we definitely need to do this number exercise right now, right? That's it, that's it. Run to number 6. Okay, jump up and down 6 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Roll over to 10. Okay, sit on 10. Stomp your feet 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now Arilyn's gonna finish her cutting practice. So she's making a house. And we got that page from, let's see if I can find the book that it's from. I'm show our friends. So we got that from the Scissor Skills Activity Pad by Melissa and Doug.
Look.
You just got to do your very best, okay? You're practicing. So when you practice something, it means you need help, and you're not going to get it just perfect just yet, okay? You just have to be patient like you're doing. And you have your glue stick. You can put that window anywhere you want, but where do you think it should go? It should go in the attic. And put in the attic? You know where the attic is?
Yeah.
Where? Yeah, that's where it should probably go. Great job. I love it. It's beautiful. You did a great job. Okay, so after I let her play for a little bit, I'll come back and we'll just do 2 more things today. So today we are going to review her good and the beautiful letters G through L. We're not going to do a full lesson today. It's already pretty late in the day and she wants to get back to playing. So we're just going to review the letters today. And we are also going to do a quick reading lesson from Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Lessons. In 100 Easy Lessons. So we are on lesson 3. And Arilyn has already learned these 2, this sound and this one you already know. This is an A. Can you tell? Because I know the font is different. Okay? So here's a new sound. I'm going to touch under the sound and I'm going to say the sound. Ready? Ah. Your turn to say when I touch it.
Umbrella.
No, that's umbrella. How about apple? Or alligator? When
Alligator, apple.
Yes, when I touch under the you say it. Ready? Good. Now you're going to say all these sounds. Oh my gosh. Are you going to be able to say all these sounds?
No.
No? I think you are. Are you ready to try?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Good. Monkey. Mummy.
Minnie.
Minnie. Very good. How about this one again?
That just reminds me of something.
What?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Minnie mouse. Good. Your turn to say the word slowly. Get ready. Run.
I want to do fast.
Okay, she wants to play. Say it fast. Okay, ready? Say it fast. Mmm. Good. Say me.
Me.
Now say it fast.
Me.
Good. Say man.
Man.
Good. Say we.
We.
Very good. Last thing we're going to do for school is her letter book. Pick any letter. Which one you want to do? That's which one?
This one.
J?
Yeah.
What sound does J make?
Ja. Ja.
J, J. Good. Very good.
Ja. Giant.
That does make the J sound. You're right. And I'm not going to correct her just yet because it'll be confusing. But J, J. Jelly. J, J. Jar.
Yeah. Don't say any more of those because you might get jellyfish.
Okay, I might say the answer.
You might say the answer. If you say the answer, then... Oh, I didn't find anything.
You didn't find anything? You're going to surprise me? I'm going to close my eyes.
Right after one, I get jellyfish.
J, J, jellyfish. Uppercase J, lowercase J, jellyfish. Great job. I'm so proud. Okay, so yes, we are going to finish those letters and then you're done school. Great job. She's excited to go play. All right, so we're gonna finish those letters and then she'll be all done school for today. So every day is different because sometimes we do the good and the beautiful lesson with this first. Last week I've been doing just the good and the beautiful lessons with these letters, and then we will practice writing her name, and then we would do other things. But we haven't done Bible in a while like we did today, or anything really fun. So I wanted to make sure that we got to get some fun stuff in as well as the reading. So I'll do some more homeschooling day in the lives with my preschooler, so you guys can see there really is a variety to what we do. Every time we do a structure, we do circle time, and we do that calendar. I mean, not the circle time really, but this calendar, and we'll read a story based on whatever we're talking about that day. So I am trying to get a farm trip together this Thursday with a bunch of their friends, but it seems like everybody is busy. So hopefully I'll be able to pull together a video for you guys at the farm. I have one already here of when we went a couple years ago. It's a really nice video. If you guys would check that out and watch it, that'd be awesome. Guys, make sure that if you found this helpful, you would give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching.